In this feature, we're finally showing Windows host as pending. As a Fleet user, I want to see Windows Autopilot devices and their Autopilot group tag as pending hosts in Fleet, so that I can build an automation on top of Fleet's API to transfer these hosts to the right Fleet before they enroll. So what we're talking about is connecting to Windows Graph. So it requires an app, and application ID, directory ID. It requires this permission, a read permission, and it requires creating a secret. And then in Fleet, we're gonna go to integrations, MDM, and scroll down to this new Microsoft Graph card. And here's where we would fill in all this information. And this is just standard UI, so it's got all our validation and good stuff here. The client secret is never returned to the admin. The admin will not be able to see it after they set it. Okay, so let's take a look at the host. I actually have an autopilot. So I have 6 hosts here, and notice 2 of them have the same serial number, and we're able to disambiguate these because they have their own autopilot identifier, so we're able to tell them apart at enrollment. Let's go to Fleet hosts. Yep, they're all in this team. So first thing, you actually see that we only have 5 here and not 6. So we currently do not support certain strings that are kind of placeholders in the serial number. Default string, this is kind of legacy behavior, and we will go ahead and support this in a follow-up story. But we do see here everything else matches. We do have one of the hosts enrolled with the same serial number, this one ending in 83. So if we click on it, we see the serial number ends in 83. And let's also take a look at the group tag. As you can see, we have a group tag here. It can actually be quite large. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's now only returned in the API. So I've opened up the API response. So we do see the group tag here. Fleet dupe serial is the group tag, which matches this group tag here. A couple more things to point out. Let's take a look at activities. So we do have activities for these. So we do have edited, changed Microsoft Graph credential. Let's see if we search for Graph. So we have added, deleted, edited activities here for these Graph credentials. And let's go ahead and actually delete this Graph credential. Now, before I do that, let's go ahead and make it bad. Let's delete the secret. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that in the background. So I've deleted the secret. So the cron job runs every 5 minutes. We sync with Autopilot every 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes, we will see a message in Fleet. Note that these client secrets do expire. There's no way to create a non-expiring one. So we need this feedback to the IT admin for when they have to change their secret. And IT admins should put it on the schedule to rotate these before they expire. So let's see this error, how it shows up in Fleet. All right, so the sync was attempted and failed. So now we have a banner that shows up and it tells the admin where to update the credential. Takes them back to this page. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and delete this just for demonstration purposes. And when I delete the connection, the hosts, the pending hosts actually remain in Fleet. And this is currently the same behavior that we have with Apple Business Manager. We will go ahead and fix that in the future, where we will go ahead and delete all these hosts once the connection, delete all the pending hosts once the connection to Autopilot and Apple Business has been severed. So that's it.